Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to an Iron Crafter Challenge where we're using acrylic pieces. It is also mixed media mayhem, as well as Follow a Sketch February. The sketch that we are using today is by Princess P. I don't know any more about Princess P, but that's what it says. So I'm going to go ahead and layer up some papers. I guess I'm kind of following the sketch. I'm just doing some layered papers behind my photo. It's not exactly like the sketch, but my journaling is in the similar spot, or in the same spot, and my photo is in the same spot, but my photo is the opposite direction. It's all going to work out fine. I'm not doing the circles. Also, I am going to do a little bit of mixed media. Actually, I already did the mixed media and didn't realize that I did not film it. So I basically took some Picket Fence Studio paper glaze in mint hydrangea and ran it through a stencil from the Crafters Workshop, which happens to be a stencil that has cameras on it, like a camera outline. And other than that, I'm leaving my background paper white, and I'm just going to add a bunch of papers here. I'm just using the same crafty collection that I was using on Tuesday. I'm trying to remember what day it is today, guys. And so I only have a 6x6 paper pad and the sticker sheet. The light blue paper is from my scrap bin, and I believe it's a Bow Bunny paper. Yeah, I think it's a Bow Bunny paper. And I've had it for a long time, so I don't have any clue if it's even something that you can get anymore. But it just, for me, that is a solid. It is a white pattern on light blue, or almost tone on tone, I guess. The white is very minimal, so it reads as a solid to me, and that's what I am going with. So pretty happy with that. And I am going to just keep layering up pieces here. I thought I might try this rainbowy paper, but I thought it was too much. I'm just going to stick with the pink, and I like that. I also did die cut a camera out of the middle of the navy blue paper. That navy blue paper reads as a solid also, but it does have a print as well. It's got crafty stuff on it. And so I am happy with that. And then I am just going to use some washi, because washi was on the list of things that we were supposed to use for our mixed media mayhem. We're all supposed to use glaze and sequins, so I did do the paper glaze, which it's easier to see at the bottom of the page, those outlines of the cameras. It is also at the top of the page, but it's almost tone on tone as well. It is mint colored, but it's a very, very pale mint. So I've got two items going on here for my layout with regard to the Mixed Media Mayhem Challenge. I just need to add sequins now, and my title is going to be that acrylic piece that says it's only paper, so that is going to work for the Iron Crafter series, which is a monthly series hosted by Tara over at the Paper Snob. You can also check the links down below for more information from the Iron Crafter series and the Paper Snob Facebook group, as well as the Mixed Media Mayhem paper group Facebook group, as well as the Scrapping Reflections Facebook group for the Follow a Sketch February series. I am just playing along here and there as I can, kind of willy-nilly, and I think that's okay. I'm not following exactly all of the sketches to a T that I am using. I am just kind of getting ideas from them and going from there. This is going to take us like right through the end of February, and then March starts off 30 days of sketches, where I will be doing the exact same thing, just kind of using them at a glance and figuring out what I want to do, not really doing a complete perfect replication of the sketch. So I'm just using it as a jumping off point, and I think that's totally fine. You know, if you are at a place where you want to follow it exactly in your scrapbooking career, that's totally fine too. I'm just not in that place anymore. So, yeah, I also kind of want my work to feel like my work. So if it's, you know, trying to make it my own, right? This little set is super cute. I love the colors in it. It is from Cartabella, and I think it's called Happy Crafter. Happy Crafting, Happy Crafter, something like that. I don't have it sitting in front of me, but it's really, really cute, and I love it, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use for future layouts as well. I am also using a couple of different wood veneer collections from MK over at Some Assemblage Required, so you're going to want to check that out as well. I'm going to use a couple of bits from the office-y looking set that's got the lamp and that bookshelf. I'm also going to use a little pen and ink set from one of them. I don't remember the name of that particular collection. I will link them up down below for you though as well. I thought I might use these buttons, but this little one is for sewing, and it's got some patches in it, and I actually liked the patches better than the little buttons. And I think the main reason for that is they kind of look like stencils to me. And so I went ahead and used those. I don't know that I would ever use them for a patch because I don't actually, the only sewing I do is pretty much on paper. I have sewn a few things in my life, but it's not really my main hobby or anything like that. Obviously, this is my main hobby. So I just wanted to go ahead and use them, and I think they're super adorable, and they just, like I said, they look like stencils to me, and I'm going to go ahead and go with it. I like how they look, and that's what makes me happy. So I'll put links to those all down below as well for you in case you're interested in picking up any of those. And just using some glue dots to go ahead and, actually these might be Zots, these are Zots Bling that I'm using for holding down my acrylic piece. I believe that acrylic piece is from Bramble Fox. It's been in my stash for quite a while though, so I don't know if it's even available any longer. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my sequins, and I am going to be adding 9 of them in each one of these little cluster areas, so there will be 27 of them. Yeah, I was going to add less, and then I was told by someone I needed to have more, so I'm having more. Yeah, I'm just using my crystal katana to pick those up. It's a great tool for picking up the sequins, and then I'm just using my liquid glue to hold those down. I do need to clean the tip of my crystal katana because it's super sticky with liquid glue at the moment, and so it doesn't want to release anything, and so I just quickly went off screen right there and wiped it down a little bit so it will do a better job of picking up and releasing. It is a wax tip, so you can easily clean it off and keep reusing it. I was actually Zooming with MK during the creation of this, so she might have been the one that told me I needed more sequins, which, if she says it, I'm going to do it, right? I mean, come on. It was a little bit light. It needed some odd numbers in it. So anyway, it's super cute. I like the way that it came out. Again, I will put all the links down below for you. It's you're going to want to go and check out all of the Facebook groups, but in addition to that, there are playlists for all of these series down below as well. So you can go and check out the inspiration from using the sketch, or the inspiration from using the mixed media recipe, or you can get the inspiration from using acrylic. And it didn't have to be titles. It could have been pieces. It could have been a combination of both, whatever you really wanted to do. And some of us might be doing all three, so you never know what you're going to get. But there's a lot of inspiration down below for you, so you can go and check that out. And then you can go create something yourself, right? That's the whole point of this, is get some inspiration and go and make something. The close-ups for this are coming up in just a second here. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video and spending time with me. I never even did tell you what the photo is about. This is the 2022 retreat, the first retreat I went to after COVID, and I am teaching a mixed media class to a bunch of people that I've retreated with for a number of years. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I will see you guys again real soon with another one. Take care. Bye-bye.